Hi, I'm Mark Kelly, owner of Kelly's Appliance Center in Cotati, California. Kelly's Appliance Center repairs major household appliances. We've been doing for 50 years in Marin, Sonoma, and Napa. We repair almost all major appliances, all major brands. We're factory authorized servicer for Whirlpool, Kenmore, Bosch, many others. Typical repairs we do are washer drain pumps and refrigerator, fan motors and controls. We do our own control board repairs. Our goal is to get your appliance up and running as quickly as possible. 1975, we started Kelly's Appliance Repair out of my dad's apartment. Since then, we've grown to 12 employees to a nice space here in Cotati. Our reason to use Kelly's Appliance is we're competitively priced. We have over 100 years of combined experience in the appliance repair industry. We're factory authorized, factory trained. Our technicians are all background checked, and we really care about our customers.
One of the other reasons why you should use Kelly's is we stay up with all technology and the times. We utilize all the knowledge across the nation. We talk to technicians in Nebraska and New York who have seen problems that most people might not have seen out here. So we have access to all that kind of information.
Kelly's appliance technicians are factory authorized and certified in many major appliances like Bosch and KitchenAid and Whirlpool, Decor. We're also highly regarded on Yelp and Google and Facebook, and we've been Diamond certified for many years. One of our customers' biggest concerns is the appliance worth fixing or should I just replace it? And that's where we come in. We charge a small service fee to come out and diagnose and give you an estimate. That way they know whether an appliance is worth fixing or just replacing. If you need an appliance repaired, give us a call because we're here to help.